Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer, no matter the economy, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? What if the real reason you're not building wealth isn't about how much you earn, but about the choices you're making every single day? In today's video, we're revealing 10 broke choices that quietly sabotage your financial future. Choices that trap you in debt, keep you from compounding your money, and block your path to financial freedom. And stay until the end. You could unlock opportunities for invisible income streams you didn't even know existed. If you're ready to rewrite your financial story, hit that subscribe button. We're committed to guiding you towards a future of financial stability and success. Number 1. Spending to impress others. Imagine a young professional named Raj. He earns $120,000 a year, but every month he's buying the newest gadgets, luxury watches, and designer clothes, mostly on credit. To an outsider, he seems successful, but inside, he's drowning in debt. Spending to impress is one of the fastest ways to destroy potential wealth. The psychology is simple. When your self-worth is tied to what others think, every purchase becomes a trap. Instead of impressing others, start investing in assets that grow your wealth: stocks, dividend-paying ETFs, rental properties, or even a diversified portfolio. Ask yourself, would I buy this if no one else could see it? If the answer is no, skip it. By redirecting money from fleeting status symbols to financial growth, you free up resources for passive income streams, equity growth, and long-term compounding, setting the stage for true financial freedom. And later, we'll reveal a simple mental hack used by millionaires to resist status spending that almost guarantees financial discipline. Number 2. Relying on credit for lifestyle. Credit cards and loans can feel like magic, instant gratification at your fingertips. But here's the catch. They come with hidden interest rates that quietly eat away at your net worth. Many people treat credit as free money. They buy electronics, designer shoes, or vacations, thinking they'll pay it later. But the real cost is compound interest. Over time, purchase can grow without you even realizing it. Building wealth isn't about how much you can borrow. It's about how much you retain and invest. When you live on credit, you're not growing your portfolio or generating passive income. Instead, you're funding someone else's equity growth, the banks. Number 3. Ignoring financial education. You can earn $200,000 a year, but if you don't understand investments, stocks, bonds, and ETFs, your money will never work for you. Most people focus on increasing income but neglect the skill that actually multiplies wealth: financial literacy. Learning how money works, how compound interest grows your investments, how dividend-paying ETFs generate invisible income, and how equity in real estate appreciates is what separates the wealthy from the working rich. Without this knowledge, money is just something you earn and spend, never something that builds your net worth. Here's the truth. The richest people aren't always the highest earners. They are the ones who understand, leverage, and multiply capital. Investing in knowledge compounds faster than money itself. The sooner you learn, the sooner your portfolio can start growing while you sleep. Number 4. Settling for comfort over growth. We all crave comfort, but comfort kills wealth quietly. Those who stay in jobs they hate, avoid challenging projects, or refuse to explore side hustles often remain in financial stagnation. Growth happens outside your comfort zone, not inside your couch. Consider this. Building equity in real estate or starting an online business is uncomfortable at first. It takes effort, risk, and sometimes failure. But discomfort is a sign of potential compound growth and portfolio expansion. Every uncomfortable choice today can become an invisible income stream tomorrow. Number 5. Neglecting networking and relationships. Imagine Sarah, a talented software developer in Austin, Texas. She works tirelessly, often putting in 60-hour weeks, thinking that sheer skill alone will get her to the next level. Yet, despite her expertise, she keeps missing promotions and freelance opportunities. Meanwhile, a colleague with slightly less experience but a broader network lands contracts worth $50,000 sales in a single quarter. The difference? Relationships. Your network isn't just a list of names on LinkedIn. It's a hidden wealth engine. They're shared through word of mouth, referrals, or private circles. The mistake most people make is treating networking like a chore or a LinkedIn ad fest instead of investing time in meaningful relationships. They think skill alone guarantees success. The truth? Wealth multiplies faster when paired with people who open doors you didn't even know existed. Ask yourself, who in my circle could elevate my opportunities by 10x? If you can't answer that immediately, it's a red flag. Number 6. Underestimating the value of time. Time is the ultimate currency. Unlike money, you can't earn it back. The mistake most people make is treating time like it's unlimited. They prioritize instant gratification over strategic growth. Ask yourself, if I could sell my next 24 hours, how much would I charge? The answer reveals how much value you truly assign to your time. What to do instead? Track it, guard it, and invest it where returns are high, learning, building, networking, or creating passive income streams. Most people miss a simple psychological trick to hack time perception that instantly multiplies productivity without burning out, and it can turn wasted hours into wealth-building power. Number 7. Fearing failure instead of embracing it. Fear of failure is a wealth killer. Research shows that Americans who avoid risk miss out on high-growth opportunities, and over 60% of self-made millionaires reported failing multiple times before hitting success. The mistake most people make is thinking failure is a loss rather than a learning asset. Ask yourself, what if failing today could make me $50,000 richer tomorrow? The answer flips your mindset from avoidance to action. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, test, iterate, and learn. Compare this to sitting on cash or delaying decisions. Stagnation feels safe but costs you real opportunity, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars in potential income. Here's the secret many don't realize. Failing strategically, not recklessly, creates what psychologists call a failure resume, a proven roadmap that accelerates future wealth-building decisions. Now, we'll discuss a failure to success mindset that can transform losses into equity growth opportunities, a secret leveraged by hedge fund managers and top investors, focusing on income instead of assets. Meet Lisa, a mid-level executive in San Francisco. She just got a 10% raise, and everyone around her congratulates her. On paper, she's doing great, earning $120,000 a year. But despite the high income, her savings barely grow, and she constantly worries about bills, student loans, and credit card debt. Meanwhile, a friend earning $60,000 a year is building a diversified portfolio of stocks, dividend-paying ETFs, and rental properties. And in 5 years, their net worth surpasses Lisa's by $200,000. The difference? One focuses solely on income. The other focuses on building assets. Money in your bank account isn't the same as real wealth. Wealth grows through income-producing assets like equities, real estate, and businesses, not just a bigger paycheck. The mistake most people make is equating a high income with financial freedom. Ask yourself, if my paycheck stopped tomorrow, how long could I maintain my lifestyle? If the answer is less than a year, you're at risk. Instead, allocate part of your earnings to assets that generate passive income, like dividend stocks or rental properties. Compare it this way. Earning $10,000 extra in salary may feel good, but an asset generating $10,000 per year indefinitely compounds your wealth exponentially. Number 9. Comparing yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others is a wealth killer because it triggers emotional spending and unrealistic expectations. The mistake most people make is letting social pressure dictate financial decisions instead of building their own plan. Ask yourself, am I investing in my future or someone else's image? The answer is the key to breaking free from the comparison trap. Instead of mimicking lifestyles, focus on growing assets, learning high-income skills, or building passive income streams. Compare it like this. $5,000 spent trying to impress others might never grow, but $5,000 invested wisely could turn into $15,000, $25,000 in just a few years through compounding. Here's the subtle twist many don't realize. The people you envy often have hidden debts or financial struggles. That exotic vacation may come with $20,000 in credit card debt. Number 10. Avoiding long-term financial planning. Short-term thinking is one of the most overlooked wealth killers. Failing to plan for retirement, compound growth, or asset allocation limits your future. Successful investors think decades ahead. They leverage index funds, rental properties, mutual funds, and dividend stocks to ensure continuous wealth accumulation. By creating a roadmap today, You make decisions that generate passive income and net worth growth far beyond what a salary can achieve. Every choice you make either moves you closer to financial freedom or traps you in the cycle of broke living. Wealth isn't about what you earn. It's about what you keep, grow, and multiply. I believe in the power of shared knowledge. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more transformative tips. Now, if you want to know about why the rich don't save for retirement, then watch this video. I'll see you there.